Hello, my brothers and sisters. If Forrest Whitaker can convince a world that he has a decent African accent, then I could motherfucking do it too. Welcome back to the madness. I'm here. I'm Beverton. Yes, I was named after a colonizer. I spend a lot of time by myself. Please don't judge me. So I have to do things to entertain myself. What are we gonna be doing today? We're going to be putting on things on the steering linkage. We're gonna basically put on the steering rack and outer tie rod ends, and I'll show you what's been going on. Other than that, be good patriots and defenders of democracy and hang out. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed your weekend and all that other wonderful stuff. Let's go get to doing stuff. Hello! Shit sounds so ridiculous. Either way, I'm probably gonna continue doing the madness while I'm doing all of this. But this is what we're doing. New shiny things. We continue down this wonderful rabbit hole of poor financial decisions, and we're gonna upgrade the steering. Because the last time we were taking this off, as I told you in the video before the brakes, that the last one was leaking. I had a horrible one that I didn't really trust what was going on with it, so I decided not to gamble with putting it on to take it back off. Because, like everything else in life, cry once, it builds character, instead of doing it and then trying to do it again, to then come back and doing it again. So, where is this? It's in the hole. In the hole. Holy, holy, holy. So we're gonna try to put these bolts up. We have these space or gap filling entities from Gyrogistic, because Gyrogistic seems to have everything for this car. But whoa, don't you fall. Trying to figure out what side this thing should be on. So I should put it on the bottom or the top. Come on, spacer. Oh yeah, these bolts are 17 millimeter. 17 millimeter. I don't know why it does that, but that's what it does. Nope. Let's get the other bolt and the other doohickey. But yeah, as we are here, and basically the thing that everyone is paying attention to, or really talking about this morning, was Black Panther. And to be quite frank, one of my buddies says something to me, and I must agree with him. No, I'm not here to tell you about some form of greatness that's gonna come from a movie. However, I'm here to talk to you about the fact that Forrest Whitaker should not win another award or be allowed to act until he can convince me both of his eyes are the same size. It's like, you want to change up and prepare for a role? Do that. That's the challenge. King of Scotland. I need a hammer. Ta-da! These things are important, especially if you value steering and what have you. We are going to try to ensure that we don't break anything in the process of manhandling things in the name of fitting them on here. Now, Get your ass on here. Let's try not to forget where this is, because that would be annoying. What side is this? Wrong side. If you're doing this on yours, you'd like to know where it is before given your car is probably in good standing, because that would be the reason why you're changing this. Count the threads. Be a pretty good way, solid way to figure out at what length you should screw this onto. But that's kind of common practice and common knowledge. But if you didn't know, oh no. See, we just learned something together. But other than that, we're just gonna slide these bad boys on, thread them on, and go from there. 2, 4, 5, 6. And man up to here. Welcome back to the Georgia Wakanda outpost. Something else. I'm gonna need all them 99 cents per day food commercials to stop for the next month. Because if we have trolleys floating in the streets and nobody need no money, and homie was right, should snap on homie. So hold up, we have all of this and people out here starving? How? Oh man, apparently I overestimated my screwing talents. In the hole. Alright, hold up. X. Alright, there. Nope. Nope. Nope, about there. About there. Son of a... Get your ass back over here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Damn! Ash on my elbows. Yeah, that's about as far as that's gonna go without us using a wrench. Now, this is partially done. Next thing we need to figure out, how am I going to fit this sway bar underneath here? Because we're going to do this too. Remember people, when you're doing all these things, tighten torque to spec, unless you figured out a perfect science in the Durger charts and care to share that with the rest of us. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a dog. That's what just happened. Give it a moment. I'll be back. Hello, welcome to Gangland, where we throw up. I don't know what this means. I don't know. Either way, let's see if I can get this. If you would like beefier, prettier end links, Jargistic got them. You know, because not only do we want it to have better performance, but it needs to look pretty. Hence, this with the look pretty formula, it's shiny. Even your girlfriend might like it. She might not like the bill, but she might like it. So we transition from pretty end links to the wonderful red, pretty sway link here, or sway bar. See, I'm merging words now. You're going to scuff this up like me, or maybe not like me, because I'm a piece of crap and I don't know how to take care of things. So I scuffed the hell out of it, and now we're here. She's feeling all disheveled and unfulfilled. But that's neither here nor there. All right, we needed to pull this off, and you know, Loctite's a bitch to take off at times, so we burnt unnecessary calories pulling this off. That happened. I now need to go find something to eat. Old age. Don't worry about the sound effects there. The only thing that I'd say I had an issue with was the holes were a little bit small for the bolt. If only we all had that problem. But anyway, so moving along and forward passing the childishness, when you're gonna get ready to put this on, lubricant, because you know when things are rubbing together smoothly and enjoyingly, everybody enjoys them. But this lubricant situation is more likely to prevent squeaking and irritating sounds. I think the other lubricant does the same thing. Semantics. Either way, we're gonna be putting things on here, and we'll get back to you and show you what's going on, or get done then show you what's what. We'll be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're having the camera in our hand, so we're gonna be doing like a first-person shooter mode. Boom, fins and stuff. All right, this is what's up. This is what we started off with today. Connected these bad boys, or this one. This is on here. Seems like I need to move it forward a little bit, but yeah, it is to bolt this bad boy up. It's on here. That's on the other side, but what we cut out earlier about was this sway bar. So, like I said before earlier, this is from Jargistic. I think it says 22 millimeters. I don't know what it is, but it's the upgraded sway bar. This is going on here, and like always, Project Murphy here, which is what I'm calling this car, proceeded to almost trying to fuck us. Because if you have the reinforcements welded onto here, the bolt that comes within this kit, and Jargistic are great people, they always put phenomenal things together, and they always do great service whenever anything comes up. The bolt would be short if you have the reinforcements and this double layer thing that they have here for the reinforcements. But it's here, but like anything else, like I always tell you, always torque. Always torque and reinforce anything that should be reinforced and installed properly under pressure, like the end links here themselves. So now for right now, they're here. Once again, something else that needs to be tightened up once I figure out what I'm doing with the wheels for this car that we need to get anyway. But more excuses. So yes, like I said earlier, sway link, remember, lubricant. You might not need it, but it's fun if everybody has some. And you know what? It might make whatever it is you're doing better. In the car world and your private life. Maybe. I don't know. Don't judge me. Either way, but yes, this is what's going on here. And everything is back on and looking the way it's supposed to look. So, until next time, this is the madness. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember people, there's a million ways to skin a cat. The way I'm doing it does not dictate that this is the right way to do it or the best way to do it. Maybe you have a better way, you can always share that with us. But like I said, like, comment, subscribe, leave comments, reinforcements. But until next time, peace.